10 Deadly Mistakes of Entrepreneurship. Management mistakes. What kills companies usually has less to do with insufficient man, talent, or information than with something more basic. A shortage of good judgment and understanding at the very top. Lack of leadership skills, sound judgment, and knowledge necessary for business judgment. Lack of experience. An entrepreneur should have adequate technical ability, the power to visualize, coordinate, integrate various operations of business, skill to manage the people in the organization, and motivate them to higher levels of performance. Poor financial control. Business success requires having a sufficient amount of capital on hand at startup. Undercapitalization is a common cause of business failure as they run out of capital. Many entrepreneurs believe that profit is what matters most important financial resource a company owns. Weak marketing efforts. Building a growing base of customers requires a sustained, creative marketing effort. Keeping them coming back requires providing them with value, quality, convenience, service, and fun. Creative entrepreneurs find innovative ways to market their business effectively to their target customers. Failure to develop strategic plan. Failure to plan, however, usually results in failure to survive. Without clear defined strategy, a business has no sustainable basis for creating and maintaining a competitive edge in the marketplace. Building a strategic plan forces an entrepreneur to assess realistically a proposed business potential. Uncontrolled growth. Expansion should be financed by the profits they generate or by capital contributions from the owners. But most businesses wind up borrowing at least portion of capital investment. Expansion usually requires major changes in organizational structure, business practices such as inventory and financial control procedures, personnel assignments, and other areas. Poor location. Business locations are selected without proper study, investigation, and planning. Some beginning owners choose a particular location just because they noticed a vacant building. It is critical for retailers. The lifeblood of the business sales is influenced heavily by choice of location. Improper inventory control. Insufficient inventory levels result in shortages and stockouts, causing customers to become disillusioned and leave. A more common situation is that the manager has not only too much inventory, but also too much of the wrong type of inventory. Many small firms have an excessive amount of cash tied up in an accumulation useless inventory. Incorrect pricing. Entrepreneurs simply charge what competitors charge or base their prices on some vague idea of selling the best product at the lowest price, both of which are dangerous. Small businesses owners usually underprice their products and services. The first step in establishing accurate prices is to know what a product or services cost to make or to provide. Inability to make entrepreneurial transition. Making it over the entrepreneurial startup hump is no guarantee of business success. After the startup, growth usually requires a radically different style of management, one that entrepreneurs are not necessarily good at. The very abilities that make an entrepreneur successful often lead to managerial ineffectiveness.